So we drop finished the two babies. Then we're going to gasoline station. Run out of gas. So, yun. Ngayon lang pa tayo maka-video ng ating paglabas. Kasi may kalaban. Diba? Wala na siyang fog. So, nakaraang ilang araw. Sobra grabe yung fog. Pero hindi pa rin malamig. Mainit pa rin. Nov said we need to go early.
Where?
When we pick up the baby, because we were going directly in her school. We will bring the bag. Still the bag is there. I cannot prepare that one because Hamad is there. So 11 is okay. Because I don't want traffic like this.
Why waiting for you anytime when you come outside?
Yeah, that's why I'm asking you, because Abud is 11:40, right? Because Nov is maybe thinking of the traffic somewhere there. So maybe she said we need to go early. What kind of early? 11 is good. 11:40 they will finish Abud. But we pick up first Asos, then Bud. No, later when we'll go home, make Miss call Hagnov. Because I cannot call him. So. She said she will call.
Because when you
How I will call? Oh, how
when
many
you go
times?
inside the home,
How I will call? My telephone is Carpanza.
you cannot call.
Yeah, you make Miss call only. And then if she will call back, not call, just make Miss call. If she will not call back, call it. Because she said she will call you. Like yesterday. She want hurry but she did not call you. Sa? May na. She said I will call Muhammad, come inside. Because I have things. She's busy also. Ayan, lalayas na naman kami. Punta kaming mamaya ng Alain. After ng school. So, nagdebate kami dito sa driver na to na oras namin kukuhanin niya kasi nga may traffic konti. Kasi Friday ngayon. Weekend na, wala nang pasok. Tapos, yan, punta muna tayo sa gasoline station, guys. Pakita ko sa inyo. Palagay kami ng gasolina, nabusan na siya. Tapos, bibili tayo ng parata. Babaunin ko. Tapos, bibili natin yung bigas na binigay ni Sis Pickwell Smith ng Las Vegas. Diba? Bili ko na lang yun ng jasmine rice. Hanap tayo mamaya sa groceryhan para pag video tayo makita na kung saan or kung anong style ng grocery. So yan. Wide Basilium ate. So ito yung kanilang gasoline station. Kamas kami guys kasi may sakit kami pareho. Yan yung delivery nila. Talabat. Talabat. Yan yung gasoline station nila. Nagra-run na. Yan, dito kami. Just
स्पेशल पुल कर दो, स्पेशल पुल कार्ड है।